Okay, so no tricks really, you just have to look at it and thread it in with the banjo connector, far away from the actual flange, and then sort of start it, and then there's just enough space to get a box wrench in there, just enough space, let me tell you, and then you can slowly turn it, and it does happen. Life is good. So I did say, earlier in the video, washers on both sides. It appears that one washer is actually, it has a little shoulder there, so it's not, it's built into the nut, and built into the bolt, I mean, so I was wrong about that. Okay, so it's in place, it's absolutely rigid here. No wonder it was so difficult to take out. There's no space for anything here. So now I can tighten these, should remember to tighten these. I should look up the torque, tighten these, put the hoses in, put the coolant to the auxiliary water pump and the hoses, and I can clamp them then. Oh, I should push this guy in there. Okay, good that some things don't take any guesswork at all. They just, that's where they were.